Hello, traders. FS Pep Collector here. Today is Friday, July 12th, and I'm going to be analyzing the US dollar Canadian, starting on the monthly, working my way down to the 1 hour time frame for the full down analysis. So, in the dollar CAD, I think this is five ways up of wave A. I think this right here is a wave A also, but I think this is an A of B or an A of 2. I think this is either an A, B, C to the downside for an A, B, C, or B, and then I think it needs to go up and make a wave C, which, like I said, this should be an ABC of B or an ABC of 2. Either way, let's head down to the weekly time frame. On the weekly time frame, I'm definitely still leaning towards the idea that this is the end of a wave B already, and that this is just going to keep on trending down for a wave C of wave B to complete the A, the B, and the C of wave B. So, keeping all that in mind, let's head down to the daily time frame. So on the daily time frame, the US dollar CAD has been so extremely sideways for almost 2 months now, but I still think there's some clarity here. I still think this is likely a wave one. I still think we're likely already made an ABC of two. I still think it's very likely that it will keep on going down for a wave three, just like I was showing on the higher time frames. So taking it down to the 4 hour time frame. On the 4 hour time frame, I definitely was originally thinking it was going to make a bigger correction, which with the dollar news that we got out coming out today, I honestly wouldn't be surprised if it did go up. And if it does start going up, I would definitely throw my Fibonacci retracement back up here. And I would definitely still be looking at this as a possible A, a possible B, and a possible C to the downtrend. Now, the trend is down on basically every single higher time frame. So even though I look at this on the 4 hour and say that it seems like it would be the most likely scenario for this to happen before it actually went down, the fact that I think we're in a wave three on the higher time frames tells me that this may have already made an ABC correction because the wave three is supposed to be the biggest, strongest wave of a trend, and that this may be more likely to just continue to make lower lows, lower highs. I am definitely primarily only looking for sorts, and if it does go up, I will probably just ignore it and I'll probably just wait for the sorting opportunity. So going down to the 1 hour time frame, I guess one of the best things to do, honestly, would put your Fibonacci from here to here. Because if this move down really is a correction to this move up, then it will definitely bounce off a fib level. It will go up, it will break structure, proving that it's going back up for most likely what would end up being a 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5 of and bigger a B, and a C correction. Now, I definitely think this is possible, and I'm always trying to keep the bullish and bearish version of every pattern in mind so that way I don't get surprised. But, like I was explaining on the higher time phase, I am definitely looking for shorts, and just like yesterday, the trend is your friend. I really would not be surprised if this just kept on making lower lows, lower highs, and that we already have an A, we already have a B, and this is already a C, and that we're already back into the downtrend. So keep an eye out for your Fibonacci bounces and breaks of structure just in case it does decide to go up and make a wave C. Otherwise, I would definitely continue to look for shorts. So don't forget to join my free Discord channel, which is linked over here in the corner. And don't forget to check out my website if you'd like to get access to my swing trade setups and my daily live Zoom meetings. As always, thank you and happy trading.